Hazelcat. Oh, she's here. She's here. Yes, she is. Hazelcat. Oh, here's your adoring audience. Come on. Yeah, they ask about you all the time. Come on. Silk. Silk. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, she's so cute. This is the cattail that I get to deal with on a regular basis. I'm so lucky. Oh.